Hi friends, tutorial of easy video series. Here I am going to show you how to download Wikipedia ebooks as a PDF or EPUB, a step-by-step tutorial. Friends, we use Wikipedia in our daily lives just like as we do Google. Any information which you don't know, the first source of information is Wikipedia. Do you know we can export Wikipedia article as a PDF or in EPUB format to read on our favorite ebook readers? Just I will show you that in this article. Now for example, I want to export this Windows 7 Wikipedia page in a PDF format. We have many web page to PDF converter, but that won't convert with that professionalism as the Wikipedia's inbuilt tool converts it. First, let us convert it into a PDF document. In the left hand side, you will see many options: interaction, toolbox, languages, print and export. So click on this option, download as PDF. Open a new page. Okay, the rendering is finished. This depends on the document content and your internet speed. I had downloaded this document previously, so the rendering is finished earlier, and I click on download the file. See, it's downloading the Windows 7.pdf. Let me open this, and you just see the layout of this PDF. So the entire thing is rendered beautifully in a PDF. Okay, this can be applied for any other article, like for example, I am going in Windows shell. Just I'm taking any random article. This will be there in every option. Download as PDF, rendering. See, it's showing the progress. It will take some time. Complete the rendering and then I can download the file. Now, along with this thing, you can make a chapter of notes. Now, for example, you need to make a small chapter in which you can contain some concepts of Windows, Microsoft, operating system, etc., etc. So then we come to an option called create a book. Okay, so I click on the option create a book. The process will be understood as when you go this process. Click OK to continue. I have already made a book and which the title my title. So I cancel that book and create a new book. You won't be showing with this option. You would have a fresh new book. So start book creator. Okay, so this is your new book, book creator. Okay, so for example, you want this page to be added to your book. So click on this option, add this page to your book. This is your current book having only one page. If you want to see your book, you can click here. Now for example, you want to know more on Microsoft Windows. Okay, even you did not open that in this, you just hover your mouse and add linked wiki page to your book. Okay, so our book has now 2 pages. Let's open this and say Windows Vista. Let's keep our book short. Okay, so we can click add this page to your book, and for Windows Vista we can do the similar thing, add this page to your book. So finally my book is of 4 pages. As you know, we have added 4 pages to it. Now it is telling to manage your book. So when I click on show book, say I give any title, say Windows, and subtitle Microsoft. You can give anything of your choice. So these are your 4 pages. You can even rearrange them. Windows 7, Vista. Let's keep operating system at the above, then Microsoft 7, then Vista, and then 7. Some sequences there. Then there are many format depending upon your requirement. Like we had already done PDF format. Now let's say the EPUB format, and then just click on download. Sorry. Again the same rendering process would take place. Each page would be rendered and then the output file would be generated. I don't have an EPUB reader, but possibly I can trust Wikipedia and say the EPUB would be definitely be readable in your ebook readers. So don't worry about it. So this helps you to make books of your choice and of your kind. For example, if you are going on a travel trip and you just need to see our downloaded file is generated. So I was on the example, see it's downloading windows.epub. I could not open it in my Windows. I don't have any EPUB opener, but in your ebook reader it will definitely open. So if you are going on a planning trip and you are visiting some 5 or 10 places, just take the 10 pages Wikipedia, generate it into EPUB format, take it on your Kindle and enjoy the trip. Hopefully you enjoyed this video also. Please subscribe to my channel Easy Video Series. Have a nice time. Goodbye.